What if 3I Atlas collided with Earth? This is a simulation of what would happen if an interstellar harbinger of doom smashed into our planet. A traveler older than our sun, forged in the ancient fires of a distant star system, and now drifting silently through our cosmic neighborhood. A single impact from this object would erase cities, reshape continents, and plunge humanity into a nightmare beyond imagination. Today, we decode this cosmic threat. Welcome to This is Decoding. The threat no one expected. Millions saw the strange cigar-shaped object called ʻOumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar rock ever found. But if ʻOumuamua hit Earth, it would destroy a city. 3I Atlas, however, has the potential to destroy civilization. Understanding 3I Atlas versus ʻOumuamua. ʻOumuamua. 100 meters lightweight, unusual acceleration. 3I Atlas. Much larger, metal-rich, extremely dense, traveling at interstellar velocity. This is not a normal comet. It is a cosmic bullet built of ancient metals, traveling faster than most objects in our solar system. At those speeds, size becomes irrelevant. Density becomes destiny. The third interstellar visitor. 3. Only 3 interstellar objects have ever passed through our solar system. ʻOumuamua Borisov Atlas, that alone makes Atlas extraordinary. Interstellar objects don't follow our rules. They don't belong to our sun. They come from regions light years away, from dead stars, collapsed systems, and violent galactic events. 3I Atlas is a messenger from a time long before Earth existed. Older than the solar system. Scientific models suggest the Milky Way, 13 billion years old. The solar system, 4.5 billion years old. 3I. Atlas may have been drifting through the galaxy for billions of years before the sun even formed. This makes it not just an object, but a piece of cosmic archaeology. The metal-rich monster. Unlike normal comets made of dust and ice, Atlas reflects sunlight like polished metal. Spectroscopic data shows traces of iron-nickel heavy elements. A metallic comet nucleus is extremely dangerous because it doesn't fragment, it doesn't slow down. It stays intact until impact. This makes it far deadlier than typical asteroids. Will it hit Earth? Simulation begins. The real Atlas is not on a collision course with us. But in this simulation, what if it was? Interstellar objects travel between 40 to 90 kilometers per second. Let's assume 50 kilometers per second, a realistic speed. A half-kilometer metallic object at that velocity generates 4 to 5 times the impact energy of the Chicxulub asteroid, the one that exterminated dinosaurs. Impact effects. Fireball radius. 1,000 plus kilometers. Crater. 150 to 250 kilometers wide. Immediate vaporization of everything near ground zero. Earthquake magnitude. 12 plus shockwaves traveling around the planet. This is the beginning of global collapse, firestorms, tsunamis, global chaos. Minutes after impact, shockwaves spark global firestorms. Cities thousands of kilometers away ignite. Oceans rise into mega tsunamis. Wind speeds exceed anything in human history. Coastal regions disappear. Power grids collapse. Governments fail instantly. Humanity enters survival mode. Nuclear winter begins. Atlas would eject hundreds of billions of tons of dust into the stratosphere. This blocks sunlight. Temperatures drop up to 20 degrees Celsius worldwide. Photosynthesis stops. Crops die. Ecosystems collapse. Earth enters a global ice age. Humanity retreats underground, underwater, or into protected zones. What comes next is a slow, painful struggle for survival. The real reason Atlas matters. Atlas is not dangerous because it's coming toward us. It's dangerous because of what it represents. Interstellar objects are real. They pass through our solar system quietly. We only detect a few, meaning there could be many more. Some might be larger, faster, or more unpredictable. ʻOumuamua was a whisper. Borisov was a warning. Atlas is a reminder. The cosmos is ancient, violent, and full of wanderers. And one day, one of them will cross Earth's path. Humanity's future depends on learning to detect and deflect these interstellar threats. This is Decoding. If you want more deep science explained simply, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.